Hey you guys, I am going to show you the Moby Max option. So it's a program you can do instead of Imagine Learning. I did see, remember now, I checked out Epic and tried to sign in as you, Aria, and I remember now, Megan, I think you said that it wasn't working. So I'm not sure what's happening there. I experienced the thing where I tried to log in with the class code and it prompted me over and over to give an email and a password, which is not really what's supposed to happen. So I'm going to try to check that out and maybe email Epic and see if we can fix that. But for now, let me show you Moby Max. So you want to just go to your dashboard like you usually do when you're doing Imagine Learning. So your username is not the same as mine. So 763912, and your password is your birth date, 07112014. So instead of Imagine Learning, you can go right below it and do Moby Max. And so Moby Max has so many options. Look at all these options. So there are different fluency games, which can be fluency for reading or fluency for math facts. So that means reading smoothly and not too fast or too slow, or answering math facts like 4 plus 6, for example, without having to think about it too much. There is reading that you can do. You can read stories, literature, or information and answer questions. You can work on phonics and spelling, more phonics spelling, phonics blending. Foundational reading would be more like the basics of reading. Sight words, fact fluency, math, numbers. So there's so many choices here. So that's with the books. This is assignments. You won't be needing to use that. The balloons is you can earn game time to play games after you've done enough work on Moby Max. This is if you wanted to send me a message. This is like you can make your own little like Moby friend. But this right here is where you're going to spend your time. So there's tons of options there. So that is something you can be working on instead of Imagine Learning. Awesome job finishing up Imagine Learning. I will look into Epic Books. I do not know why that's happening. So hopefully I can get that solved so that that's another choice that you can have. All right. Let me know if you guys have any questions.